This car, snow crank, no start. Chevy Venture. Let's try it. See? No crank. No crank. But there's a pressure. I heard the pressure. Start. There's no crank. Easy to fix. Mga kababayan, easy to fix lang yan. Pang emergency. First check natin yung ano. Check po ninyo ang battery terminal. Ayun. Battery terminal kung maganda ang connection. Just check the fuse. Basahin mo lang yung ignition, number 11 ang fuse, relay, kung good lahat. Tapos hindi pa rin, may gagawin tayo. Magic ang gagawin natin. Wala talaga. There is no crank. The only solution is here. Oh, here. Get some cardboard. Get the hammer. And jacket. And go inside. Use only this one for emergency case to case. Find the starter. That's the starter. And tap it a little. Just a little. So that the starter will not trig. Kung nasa trouble kayo tapos hindi nag-stop kayo tapos hindi nag-start, pwede nyo gawin to. Tapos palitan nyo na yung starter nyo. Ayun. Baka pwede na, baka mag-start na yan. Okay, let's try to start. We tap it earlier. Oh, see? Nag-start siya. Start. Yun lang po ang gagawin na. That's the way you do it. Just tap the starter so that it will trig. And you're good to go. But if you reach your destination, go to the mechanic or change your starter with yourself. Don't stop and stop the engine because it will never start again. This is just only for emergency case. Okay, thank you for watching. Alright, I'm gonna change my starter because see? I'm gonna change my starter with this old one from Pick and Fall. Alright, thank you and have a good day.